Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is on a recent iOS and connected to the internet, and you have your device passcode and trusted phone nearby. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top. That brings you to Apple ID settings where password changes live. Once you're on your Apple ID page, choose Password and Security to continue. This moves you from preparation directly into the account control area, so you can change the password securely. On the Password and Security screen, tap Change Password and the phone will ask for your device passcode to confirm it's really you. After authentication, type a new password and then confirm it. Aim for at least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, because stronger passwords reduce the chance of compromise. Make sure the new password isn't one you've used before. Once entered, tap Change or Update to submit the new credential and let iCloud propagate it across your devices. After changing the password, you'll be prompted to sign back into iCloud services and apps. Follow the prompts and enter the new password. Make sure to restart the device if any app still shows an authentication error, because a reboot often resolves lingering session issues. If you can't change the password because you forgot the device passcode or are locked out, use Account Recovery via iForget. Apple. Calm or start recovery from another trusted device, enabling 2-factor authentication afterward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.